Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials: a working Netflix account and an iPhone updated to iOS 15 or later. Next, pick a VPN that explicitly supports streaming and iOS apps. This matters because cheaper services often leak or get blocked. Once chosen, download the VPN from the App Store and sign in. Make sure to allow VPN configuration when prompted so the app can add a profile. This step enables secure routing for your Netflix traffic, and you'll use it immediately. You now configure the VPN for Netflix access. Open the app and pick a server located in the country whose catalog you want. Once done, enable the kill switch and DNS/IP6 leak protection so Netflix traffic cannot bypass the tunnel. These stop accidental exposure. Then choose a fast protocol like WireGuard or IKEv2 for smooth playback. Make sure the VPN shows as connected in iPhone settings. If it doesn't, reopen the app and reconnect, so the phone routes all streaming through the selected server. You finish by force closing the Netflix app and reopening it only after the VPN shows connected. This forces Netflix to see the VPN IP. If the catalog doesn't change, log out and back in or clear the app cache by reinstalling Netflix. This refreshes location data. If Netflix still blocks you, switch to a different server in the same country or change protocol to improve obfuscation. One key troubleshooting tip: if playback errors persist, enable the VPN's obfuscation or contact support for a recommended streaming server.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.